Hello, Dana and Lee. This is Brianna. I'm friends with Lee on Facebook, and he reached out talking about the growth you guys are trying to achieve for your house cleaning and Airbnb business. And I wanted to reach out and give this video to you guys to give you some tips and methods that you can use to increase your presence online and start getting found by more of the people that are wanting your services. Okay, so I'm going to show you just this page here. I used the keyword house cleaning Texas. This is a keyword because anything being entered into Google search is considered a keyword. You need to be thinking like your customers and the types of words that they would be using when they go onto Google to try and find you guys. And those are the words we want to have on our website. Okay. So once I do house cleaning Texas, you go down here. Usually you're going to see Google ads pop up. You don't always want to put money into them because a lot of people use ad blocker. So continuing down, this is the Google Map Pack. If you guys have not done the Google My Business setup, I would definitely get to that. All you need to do is you need to have your contact information, your location, your hours, the company name, and then you want to add a bunch of good photos. This is really easy to get ranked on. It can take time for your website to build credibility and move up on the Google search results, but this can happen a lot faster. Going down and continuing through, you're going to see normally directories pop up like care.com. They don't directly offer services, but they have a directory of cleaning companies that do. So you don't want to worry about those. Those aren't really competition for you guys. A competitor would be Ready Set Maids because they're showing up next. But Lee had told me specifically about Merry Maids. So I wanted to show you guys kind of what's going on with Merry Maids. Merry Maids is a national company, as you guys know. So when it's a national company, they're going to take specific pages right here. This one's for El Paso, Texas. And they're going to get those pages to be for those service areas. So I'm only focused right now on El Paso, just because that was a location that Lee had referenced. And I wanted to show you what's on this El Paso Merry Maids page. So I take this link and I'm going to throw it over here into my Ahrefs tool. This shows me that there's 11 other websites online that are referencing the El Paso Merry Maids page. And those 11 websites have 74 mentions of them. These are backlinks. I'm sure you guys, this is a link right here. If I click on it, it's going to pull up merrymaids.com/El Paso, okay? So that's one backlink. That's all it does. Some of these backlinks are do not follow, meaning that you can see them, but you can't click on them, okay? If we go in here, I'm able to see what backlinks are high quality and which ones are low quality that you don't want to be getting. So we would be able to take and copy the good links that you want, and then not have the ones that aren't worthwhile. If they're not getting traffic, as you can see, there's no traffic happening here. Those wouldn't be worthwhile links for us to get. We would be more focused on the ratings for the domains. And that's how you get authoritative with the backlinks. For keywords, like I said, what your customers are searching, they're ranking for quite a few. So professional cleaning services, that's a national keyword because there's not an area-specific location. So anyone in the country can be searching professional cleaning services, and they are. There's 3,500 searches happening a month for that service. So it would still be worthwhile to put it on the website and work on getting it ranking because you don't know who's local and nearby. But the biggest step is getting yourselves ranking for the localized keywords, any ones that have the physical location in them. See, cleaning services El Paso, maid service El Paso. Those two, we know the people searching are in El Paso, Texas, right? And there's still 250 people searching that each month. Right now, Merry Maids is #1. It's going to be really easy to take that spot within 3 months so that you guys are getting that traffic. From the 250 people searching here, they're getting 47 customers clicking on their website from Cleaning Services El Paso and 37 people clicking on their site from Maid Service El Paso. So you can kind of see the traffic right down here, how many customers they're really getting from where they're at on the ranking, showing up first, second, or third for those keywords. there's a big search volume happening for cleaning, as you know. So when you're building your website, I'm going to go back over here to Marinades. Google wants you to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the home page. Why is that important? That's just a minimum. Content is important because if Google doesn't see a lot of information on your website, they're not going to have any range to trust your authority. They're not believing that you're an expert. The more you talk about your service, the more of an expert Google's going to see you as. Content is king because when you have the content, you have the keywords that people can find you for, okay? You want about 100 words of content for every one keyword. That's not too tricky to do. On the back service pages, you want to have 750 words, 500 to 750 minimum. And you can have those be keywords too. A really cool thing that a lot of people don't know about optimizing their websites is that when you're saving and uploading your photos to your website, you want to save the file names. Let's look what they're doing here. See how the file name is download? You don't want that. You want to use a keyword, because if a customer is searching online and they come across that keyword, that content hidden away is going to help you guys get ranked, and they're going to be pulling up your search. So that works just as well for the Google Map Pack too, down here, that I told you guys needed to add pictures for. Make sure your pictures for this have keyword file names as well. And you guys are going to be riding in good time with all that. So let's see if there's anything else to really cover here. We're good on that. Another thing that's going to help you with the ranking on the Google Map Pack is the citations. Citations are online directories, okay, like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, so on and so forth. So I would be getting you guys a lot of citations to help move you up here. We'd also be getting a lot of good reviews, which is important, and that's going to get your reaction up here for your customers to find you for whatever keywords you want to be found for. And while you're working up to number 1 on that, your website is going to be slowly moving up the list too. And that's what we want to see. So the potential for you guys to be getting hundreds of other people each month, it's there. And this is just one location. I know you guys have several cities that you work in. So we would want to build a website for your main location, your main city, and we can have the different pages ranking for all the services and other areas that you offer. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. I wanted to just throw that out there for you guys to see, that there's a lot of people out there looking for your service in your area, and you guys definitely want to have a good website built up that's optimized so you can get discovered. That's about it over here. If you guys have any questions or you want more information on it, Lee knows how to find me, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks for taking the time today. Have a good day.